now we're at step 6. Once the water reaches a steady boil, you'll need to measure its temperature. Plug a temperature sensor into channel 1. Okay, so we already did that, but just in case you need that data, I'll record the temperature of the water again. So once it stabilizes, record the temperature. Alright. Place the, oh, we already did that. So we're at step 7. Once the cubes have been in boiling water for at least 5 minutes, you're ready to begin. Use the LabQuest to measure the temperature of the water in your calorimeter. So once that stabilizes, record the temperature of the water in our calorimeter for the second run. It was around 23, so we'll continue to wait to see it as it goes down. Alright, it looks stable, so record the temperature of our water inside our calorimeter. And then we are on step 8. Use the tongs to remove the next cube, which is iron, which will be the shiny one. From the boiling water, quickly shake off as much water as you can, and then place the cube in the calorimeter. Place the lid on the calorimeter and gently stir the contents for 20 seconds by swirling the calorimeter. Alright, so it's been 20 seconds. Do this very carefully. You don't want any water to stick to lid. We're at step 9. Insert the temperature probe through the hole in the calorimeter lid. So, you don't want it to touch the block. Do not let the tip of the probe touch the cube. Continue gently agitating the water in the calorimeter. Follow the temperature on the LabQuest. You want to record the highest temperature reached in the first row of table 1. And then step 10 is after the temperature has reached a maximum and starts decreasing, you're finished gathering data for this metal. So once we see the temperature start to go down, then we can move on to the next one. So I'm not sure if that's just a fluctuation. So we'll continue to wait until we see the temperature go down further. Alright, the temperature is going down, so record the highest temperature that you saw the probe get to. And then we'll remove the cube from the colorimeter. And we will pour the water down the sink. Alright, so now we're ready to repeat the procedure for the last block. We'll measure out another 50 mils of room temperature water. And then we'll put it in our colorimeter. And we'll go back to the equipment room to weigh our colorimeter with the water in it. Alright, so now we're going to weigh our colorimeter with the water in it. This is the third trial. So once it stabilizes, record the mass of our colorimeter with the water in it. Alright, it's, oh. Alright, I think it's stable every time I say it. Oh my gosh. Alright, so I think it's stable. Usually this little asterisk over here means that it's stabilized. So we'll go back to our student bench. Alright, so now we're ready to go to step 6. The water has been boiling, so we will measure the temperature of the boiling water again. So once it's stable, record the temperature of the boiling water. Right, so now I think it's just fluctuating. So record whatever you think is a good average of what you're seeing. So like say it was like 97.2 through 97.4, you would record 97.3. It's not always perfect. Especially with boiling water, as like the bubbles come up, it's moving the water around, and so it fluctuates in the temperature.